How to use live transcribe on Samsung phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure to use live transcribe on Samsung phone. So to do it, what you need is, first of all, you want to open up your settings on your device. After you open up the settings, you want to scroll down and go to accessibility section. When you go to accessibility, there you have these options. So what you could do is you simply want to make sure to go ahead and click on hearing enhancement, which is going to be right over here. But in my case, I have the live transcribe right on this page. So when you click on hearing enhancement, there you could find live transcribe. Then you could go ahead and toggle the button for these and then follow the on-screen prompt in order to use the live transcribe on Samsung. And that is the way you could use transcribe on Samsung phones. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.